Hey lovelies, welcome back. Today it's gonna be a clean with me. We are doing a 30-minute cleaning and we're gonna try to get the kitchen and the living room and the sitting room and all that stuff together. I have some priorities. I want to vacuum, straighten up. Y'all gonna see, because I only have 30 minutes. So we're gonna tackle the main points only today. We're not doing a deep clean. This is just like a 30-minute quick pickup, and you'll be surprised how much you can get done in 30 minutes. I promise you, you will be so surprised. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rogina, and welcome to Life with Rogina. Yes, that's the name of the channel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Oh my God, I hope I don't have nothing in my eyes. Am I okay? I'm good. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this cleaning. Let's set the timer. Let me get some coffee first, because you know I can't start my day without the coffee. Okay. Maybe I'll do chai. Chai or coffee. I think I'm going to do chai today. Okay, let's make a chai latte and then let's get to cleaning.
Plenty so far with the face. Just to make your money day. For my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. You may tell me what's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat, I know be die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat. I know different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling the floor like the ocean. Port, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat, I know be die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat, I know be Oluwa oh now.
All right, y'all. Time is up. I actually got a lot of stuff done in 30 minutes. I'm very proud of myself. I haven't done one of these in a little while. I gotta start doing more of them. It's amazing how long 30 minutes is. I kept looking, I'm like, I have to be at 30 minutes at this point. But the time is up. And let's see what we got done. Alrighty. I was able to wipe the stove and the counters down. I gotta move all this stuff back over here. I didn't get to the dishes, of course. Counter, my son broke my lid, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that one. I was able to wipe the stove, the table down. I was able to straighten up this area, and I just realized I didn't vacuum over here. And then this area, I'm missing a pillow. I have no idea what the pillow is. And I was able to vacuum. Alright, so yeah, I have to put all this bread and stuff back. And that's pretty much it. Well, no, I still need to put the bread back and move these and that stuff, but that's pretty much it. That was 30 minutes of cleaning, y'all. I'm super proud of myself, but yeah. Let me put this bread and stuff back and we are done. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.